I'm sorry I've fallen behind on getting videos out. I've had a lot going on and I'm going to end up falling farther behind. I've got a few videos in the can and I'm working on getting those done as soon as I can. The editing is taking longer than I expected. But later this week I'm headed down to Annapolis, Maryland to Chesapeake Lightcraft for OkoumeFest, their annual open house and kayak demo day. I'll be there on Friday doing a talk. I think I'll be talking about the Micro Bootlegger Sport, the skin on frame version, and I'm happy to answer any questions you have about the strip built version while I'm there. And then on Saturday we will be headed to Mattapique Beach, and that will be their boat demo day. You can try basically every boat they have in their catalog. There might be a few that are missing, but they bring a whole pile of boats down there, and other people bring the boats they built, and it's really great gathering. It's fun to see everybody. So if you're in the Annapolis area at all this weekend, Friday or Saturday, come by, say hi. It would be really great to see you, and I'm looking forward to the event. So thanks for your patience on the videos, and thanks for watching, and happy paddling.